everyone! This month we're going to be working on a nature museum for our handicraft badge. In your kit you will find different sizes of jars. For your nature museum you will be exploring your backyard, any parks, or any kind of outdoor area near you, and you'll be looking for special things that stand out to you, like leaves, branches, skulls, insects, anything that you think is cool from nature. You're going to collect it and you'll be putting them in your jars. Here are some things that I've collected to give you some ideas. Pine cones, seed pods, dirt and sand, leaves, branches, anything that's dried up. And in some cases I put multiple things in a jar. This one has sand, shells, and some plants that I found at the beach. If you find any dead insects, you can also collect those. This is a moth that I found in my backyard. You can also collect feathers. Once you've found your items, you can put them in the jars. You can put multiple items in one jar and close it up. Or you can put one item in a jar and collect them separately. Once you've collected your items, we'll have a show and tell for your handicraft badge. We hope you have fun exploring, and we can't wait to see what you find.